When it comes to the state of your kidneys, it's never too early to make sure they're in good shape. Take Coral Gables City Commissioner Vince Lago, for example. At a very young age, his parents discovered he was suffering from kidney failure.
When I was about 4 years old, I was diagnosed with renal artery stenosis, which is a kidney ailment, which resulted in me having what they call a bench surgery. And to simplify the explanation, I tell a lot of people it's basically a kidney transplant, where the kidney is moved to a different portion of my body to protect it. And the surgery lasted close to 10 hours.
Understanding the importance of detecting kidney disease in its early stages, Commissioner Lago has teamed up with the National Kidney Foundation of Florida, which will offer free kidney screenings on November 12th at 3280 Ponce de Leon Boulevard.
The importance of this kidney screening is early detection. Early detection is paramount to having somebody with kidney disease to be able to treat it with dietary changes, with medication, versus the drastic problem of getting an end-stage renal disease and needing such drastic treatment as dialysis or transplantation.
Kidney disease can affect anyone at any age. However, due to a few contributing factors, including diet and family history, certain demographics are predisposed to having kidney issues.
Kidney disease affects everyone in the United States potentially, but certainly there's a much higher tendency for the minority communities. Both Hispanic and Black communities are more susceptible to kidney disease.
If you're worried about the amount of time it takes to go through the screening process, have no fear. 15 minutes can save your kidneys from future complications.
One great thing about the screening is it takes no more than 15 minutes, and we can notify the potential patient immediately to see his doctor if he has signs of kidney disease, and they don't have to wait for any test results. We can do it instantaneously.
Commissioner Lago says the importance of getting your kidneys tested cannot be emphasized enough.
At the end of the day, it's going to be something that's going to be very simple. The individual's going to be able to walk in, have a urinalysis exam. They're going to be given a lot of examples on how they can live a healthier life. They're going to be able to seek guidance from medical professionals. There's going to be doctors on hand to provide guidance. And hopefully, the main goal at the end of the day is to make sure that people walk out of there healthier.
The free kidney screenings will be available to all Coral Gables residents and city employees. For What's Happening Coral Gables, I'm Mike Biana.